In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in Project Sekai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If in a specific event you chose one theme and you want to change themes for whatever reason, you can actually do this once. I'm going to teach you how to find the option to change themes and how to do it. So all that you have to do is first go into the crew area. So if your game is in Japanese, it is going to be this button here. And if you are playing in English, then it is going to be the same button. It's just going to say crew area instead. So all that you have to do is open the event menu and tap this button right besides the option to start the show. When you tap on crew area, you will be able to go to this location here where you can meet up, interact with others, and see some options. All that you have to look for is this green teddy bear. So look for this green bear, and if you talk to this stuffed animal, you will get the option to switch group. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can only do this once. So if you go over here and you see this green bear, you interact with him and you tap yes, you will be able to switch teams. So you will be given the option again. Now, keep in mind as well that you can only do this before the first set of results is out. So if you don't find this teddy bear, it's usually because the first set of results has already been announced. And once this set of results goes live, then you will not be able to change themes. So to keep it simple, go into the event page menu, tap the crew area button, which should be this one right besides the option to start the show, and you will be able to change your themes once by interacting with this little green stuffed bear. Like I mentioned before, you can do it before the first prelim. I hope I was able to help you on how to change themes in Project Sekai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.